Athens. Athens is the capital and largest city of Greece. It is one of the world's oldest cities, with a recorded history spanning over 3,400 years, making it a city of immense historical and cultural significance. Here are some key facts about Athens. Athens is often referred to as the cradle of Western civilization, because of its role in the development of democracy, philosophy, literature, and various other intellectual and artistic pursuits in ancient Greece. It was home to famous philosophers like Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle. Athens is often credited with being the birthplace of democracy. In the 5th century BC, a form of direct democracy was established in the city, where citizens had a say in decision-making through an assembly. Today, Athens is a bustling modern metropolis with a population of over 3 million people in the metropolitan area. It serves as Greece's political, economic, industrial, financial, cultural, and transportation hub. Athens has a vibrant cultural scene with numerous museums, theaters, and art galleries. The National Archaeological Museum and the Plaka Museum are renowned for their collections of Greek art and history. The city is home to several prestigious universities and institutions, including the University of Athens, which is one of the oldest universities in Europe. Athens is the center of the Greek Orthodox Church, and there are many historic churches and monasteries throughout the city. Athens has hosted the Summer Olympic Games twice in its modern history, first in 1896 and again in 2004. Tourism is a significant industry in Athens, attracting visitors from around the world who come to explore its historical sites, museums, and vibrant neighborhoods. The city also offers a lively nightlife and a diverse culinary scene. Here are some must-visit places in Athens. Number 1. Acropolis. This iconic ancient citadel is home to several ancient buildings of great architectural and historic significance, most notably the Parthenon, which is dedicated to the goddess Athena. The Acropolis also offers panoramic views of the city. Number 2. Parthenon. This temple on the Acropolis is one of the most famous buildings in the world. It's a stunning example of ancient Greek architecture and is dedicated to the goddess Athena. Number 3. Ancient Agora. This ancient marketplace was the center of Athenian public life and features well-preserved ruins, including the Temple of Hephaestus. Number 4. National Archaeological Museum. It houses an extensive collection of ancient Greek artifacts, including sculptures, pottery, jewelry, and more. Number 5. Plaka. A historic neighborhood at the base of the Acropolis with narrow streets, neoclassical architecture, and numerous shops, cafes, and restaurants. Number 6. Monastiriki. This vibrant neighborhood is known for its flea market, where you can find a wide range of antiques, crafts, and souvenirs. Number 7. Syntagma Square. The central square of Athens is surrounded by important landmarks, including the Greek Parliament building and the luxurious Hotel Grand Bretagne. Witness the changing of the guards in front of the Parliament. Number 8. Plaka Museum. A comprehensive museum that showcases Greek art and culture through the centuries. Number 9. Mount Lycabettus. For panoramic views of Athens, you can hike or take a funicular to the top of this hill, which offers breathtaking vistas of the city and the sea. Number 10. National Garden of Athens. A peaceful oasis in the heart of the city, this lush garden is a great place for a leisurely stroll. Number 11. Panathinaikos Stadium, Kalamata. This stadium hosted the first modern Olympic Games in 1896. You can visit the stadium and its museum to learn about the history of the Olympics. Number 12. Acropolis. Located in the Gazi neighborhood, this former gasworks complex now serves as a cultural center with exhibitions, events, and nightlife options. Number 13. Museum of Cycladic Art. It houses a remarkable collection of Cycladic art and other ancient artifacts. Number 14. Exarcha. A bohemian neighborhood known for its alternative culture, street art, and lively atmosphere. Number 15. Theatre of Dionysius. An ancient Greek theatre at the foot of the Acropolis, where you can imagine the performances of ancient tragedies and comedies. Number 16. Odeon of Heroes Atticus. This well-preserved ancient theatre hosts concerts and performances, offering a unique cultural experience.